Hello, maybe I'll be a new check anymore. The name is Ben Pro. I OTA. But also, subscribe to the man who is any at the end, make a better man because we need to up the game. We need to show maturity. We need to show that we understand what we are doing. Yeah, entertainment industry, it has been marked by rivalry and whatever, jealousy, assessment, the kind of Cabaneza, or when you show what you can buy it, not the win. But yes, I know who buy over the cabo. I can know the who so that I yeah, so now there was, some ready between Shatter and Stonebwoy. Now, a combat initially in the catch of the I don't support for supporting state. Now, you actually practice more. And for years, so I will you sell out. O2 arena, sell out. No one man and Indian Sack Nation, Sack on the biggest star in Ghana. Will buy it. Shatter, that's 14 or also buy it. To promise. Ghana's all time, Oka International would see them on my number support them here for smoke. They are one net. Normally, you're not bad Ghana. Interview with boss. One of the things that I heard here was Obidisa, your friend is saying, Shatter said, one young back to be met young girls that they are named Saka the year. Why there was no video? Not you, one of these things. Come here on Bisan, it's something cooking or say. Something he was cooking. Now, over the weekend, a soul everlasting. APA. The APA, let me share what it is. Not a between Sack Nation and Shaka movement. Then, I'm going to video. It's beautiful.
Man, very picky.
Because you're about to call it. Big Daddy.
One line as well.
Say therefore, now you will go near your collaboration. Then you mention, yes, you're Stonebwoy. Why can't somebody teach him manners? You know what I'm saying? This boy, yes, who was you be everlasting when you have 45 that who says that you everything is everlasting and answer 45? No, we don't need something. Okay, I am the same. Stonebwoy, or you have a problem in Ghana music. Yes, I stand to be corrected, but it looks like it because Owu be as a competition. The US one, I didn't want to say, Obi are too competitive, no. And many times you know you are even competing against yourself. But now we the kind of former boss, and if I don't want to compete against yourself, I know you, Obi are a good energy. It's a USA way. Competition is healthy. But a year too much, it becomes what we call an evil practice. Me, what I was clamoring for was collaborations. Ghana, some time ago, the type Saturday for Togo Nigeria, no mistake, only the only Ghanaian artists. And then we go Ghanaian artists. You can go for Black Hawk, you can go for Stonebwoy, Awale, King Promise, Familia, TV, Eugene, the list goes on. It might become so Ghana has now become very, very great when it comes to music. Now, what we need to take it to the next level is what Sakawale and Sarkodie is doing. Collaborations. It's in us. Then that for something that we can never move. We did lots of collaborations with so-called international stars. But Ghana, you say, promise. The kind of audience or one you are not a black hole or you sell out shows in the US. So he has become very big as what? Venerable. So instead of going out of the way, sometimes somewhere from the back, you can see from Jamaica, album come, so no collaboration. You can do collaboration with our own self and blow. I'm telling you. Black Onyumno, that was his biggest song on that time. That album. That was it. And it takes nothing from Sarkodie. It also adds something to what Black. Because sometimes you know, what is called an emerging talent. They say no, he has become a superstar. It is Stonebwoy. You know, party now said, drop that ego. Okay, make me a young man. But when it comes to business, I'll do business with you. You also need to do. It has to be a good businessman. For be a sabby, or you said, this is the time. When you want to make money and want to push his career up. Stonebwoy is becoming a baby. He cries over every little thing. It is time to say, this ego or stupid ego has to go. Obviously, said, me, a Stonebwoy fan. I love his song. Maybe I'm because if somebody will take us to Ghana, it's Stonebwoy. But this attitude of Stonebwoy has to be eliminated. And yes, sir, he will never get to the height that he wants to. Or tell me, I'm trying to push him because there be a one and you want to he needs to go up there. But for you to go up there, this egoism has to be out of your life. This jealousy, this kind of competition, where there is not past statements, past emotions, has to get out of you. When yes, you will never reach the height you are supposed to reach. And now, for the past 1 year, Stonebwoy you will say that clan because of some of his statements, utterances, and the way he's behaving. Almost your friend say, black self for more now, President invite someone for it. The attitude of Stonebwoy, I was shocked because not because the Saka will even behave like, but Saka behaves maturely. Stonebwoy, Saka used 100,000 or for you 100 and two. I say, what is this? Who are you competing with? No one. We are all Ghanaians. We don't need internal competition. Competition should be said, my year you better, so I'll do another job better than you. But we don't need physical competition. We don't need rivalry versus rivalry. Stonebwoy, I call on you today to reach out to your brothers and do songs with them. Instead of going to Jamaica, Ghana, they say you have the stars. Do songs with them and stop this for young mommy. Oh, mommy, can be a one. They say no, we just had him one you are holding it. The yes, or you are holding on to the past. He doesn't move forward because one follow baggage, you know what criminal are holding for. Leave that baggage and move. And what's your wife?